Hey guys, Jimmy Vegas here. Today we're playing an indie game in Unity. It started already, called Desert Dreams. It says it's a nocturnal walk through a desert dream. Well, not as sure what to expect. Seems okay. This is my bed. Okay. Can I do anything with it? No. Okay. What's this? It's a pink glowy thing. Am I a midget or something? There's a games console, a Chinese knockoff game console there. Door. Ah, there we go. Ooh, wow, this is very pink. This is very pink. I can run. I can obviously run, so let's just run and explore. That's where I've come from. Okay. Not sure what the aim is. I'm just running. It's very pink. It's very pink. What's this? Trailer. It's a trailer. Can I open? If you are reading this, we are already gone. The noise has become unbearable. Okay, well, whatever. Over there, we've got this big thing here. Okay, so can I go in it? By invitation only. Okay. Well, how do I get an invitation? Oh! I'm in. I'm somehow in. What? What? I think I've glitched. How random. Okay. Well, I opened the door. Okay. Well, I'm going to go wandering around again. There's something over here. Let's take a look at what this is over here. Not a lot going on. I'm just holding down Shift and W. Rock. Well, it's boarded up, whatever this is. That's interesting. I can't seem to... Ooh. Maybe if I jump on here. Oh, well I would, but there's no collider on it. Okay. Shame there's not a collider on that thing. I want to see what's in there. Oh, I'm in. Oh, there's nothing here. Ooh. It's a poem composed of strange glyphs. Oh, okay. We've got to decipher it or something. Huh? I swear I saw something then. It's floating. How weird. Okay, I'm going to go to the top of this hill. There doesn't seem to be much here, to be honest, so I'm a bit confused. So I'm going to go to the top of the hill and look around. There's nothing at the top of the hill. I'm not sure what to do. There doesn't seem much here. What's this? That looks interesting. It looks like a bed. Doesn't it? Why is my bed out here? I don't know. What? Now what? Ooh. Ooh, what's that is creepy. That is creepy. And I think if I can get the angle just right on that, I may actually use that as the thumbnail for the video. Yep, there's the thumbnail right there. Okay. But these cactuses are in very strange positions now. Look. Okay, well, I'm gonna just walk this. What's that? Something looks interesting there, so I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go this way. This is very weird. The orange is very creepy. This is very creepy. Some kind of church. Can I go in? can. Oh, creep, there's that eye again. What's this? More strange glyph thing. Are them eyes looking at me wherever I go? They are, aren't they? That is creepy! Ooh. A dome conservatory thing. Let's have a look. Looked like it's floating there, but I don't think it is. What's this? It's a thing. I don't know. Okay, next. I'm going to go back to my house. That's what I'll do. That is what I will do. Oof. Yeah. Right, okay, I'm home. I'm home. I'm going to bed. What? What happened? Well, where's it gone? So basically you get to the end and the developer just had application.quit. Okay. Okay. Well, you know what that means, don't you? I want to go back into it. And I'm going to try and get out of bounds. Just cause. Well, okay. So, I think the title of this one could be something like Jimmy Gets Cut Off. Oh, I'm not going to be able to get out of bounds, am I? It's not going to let me. I don't think it's going to let me. Because if anywhere, looking around at the terrain, this is probably the only place I'd be able to get out of bounds. Maybe over there, but I can't be bothered running all the way over there. So I am just going to... Oh, wait, no. Maybe. 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 Oh, come on. I want out. Come on. Oh, I don't think I'm going to get out of bounds. It looks like there are invisible walls. Alas, I will never get out of bounds. I'm close. Close. Ah, that was close. Damn you, invisible walls. Okay, guys, well, give a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. Very peculiar. I'm not sure why it cuts off at the end. How random. But let me know in the comments why you didn't like it, if you give it a thumbs down. That was Desert Dreams. I've been Jimmy Vegas, and guys, thank you very much for watching.